Hi all, welcome back to my lecture series. This is Muthuminal R, Assistant Professor from the Department of Agricultural Engineering at SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss the topic on Inter-Basin Water Transfer that comes under the unit Crop Water Requirement for the students of 3rd year Agricultural Engineering under the subject Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Before going into the session, let us have a small recap what we have seen in the previous lecture series. We have seen about the river developments that are occurred in India and Tamil Nadu, and also we have seen how we can consider the culturable command area based upon its application. The topic today is going to be about the inter-basin water transfer. Imagine one river overflowing during monsoon while another region struggles with drought. So can water be moved from surplus regions to the deficit regions? Yes, that idea forms the basis of inter-basin water transfer. This concept has become increasingly important due to climate variability, population growth, agricultural demand, and uneven rainfall distribution. The inter-basin water transfer refers to the movement of water from one place to the other, that is one river to the another river basin. The objective is simple: transfer the excess water from surplus basins to the water scarce regions. This redistribution helps improve irrigation, drinking water supply, hydropower, drought improvement and drought management. So this redistribution plays a major role in India because India is a land of contrast. One state prays for rain, another prays for flood to stop. Nature distributes water unevenly. Engineering tries to redistribute the opportunity evenly. Many regions in India faces seasonal drought, groundwater depletion, crop failures. At the same time, some river basins experience flooding every year. This uneven distribution created the need for strategic water transfer system. Inter-basin transfer helps to stabilize agriculture, to reduce the drought vulnerability, improves regional development, support food production. However, transferring water is not as simple as connecting two pipes. Water also carries ecology, sediments, river identity, community dependency. That is why engineers must evaluate both benefits and consequences carefully. So that means that India has to play a major role depending upon the river linking ideas for more than a century. One historical example discussed is the Triple Canal project between 1905 to 1915. Laterally, several river linking proposals emerged, including National River Linking Project, Ken-Betwa Link Project, Periyar Diversion System. These projects aimed to improve the irrigation efficiency, reduce the flood damage, enhances the regional water availability. Some projects succeeded technically but sparked environmental and political debates because rivers do not recognize state boundaries but humans certainly do. So that is where the strategic implementation comes into existence. They require reservoir systems, canals, pumping stations, diversion structures, and monitors the system. Environmental applications include drought management, groundwater recharge, agricultural support, and water supply improvement. So these could be monitored with the help of modern technology such as GIS, remote sensing, hydrological modeling that helps the engineers to plan the transfer more efficiently. Still, the risks remain. So the major risks include ecological imbalance, habitat disruption, social displacement, interstate conflicts, high economic cost. Sometimes transferring water solves one problem while quietly creating another. This is why the sustainable planning is essential. future engineers must design systems that are technically sound, economically feasible, environmentally responsible, and socially acceptable. So let us summarize what we have discussed today. We have discussed about inter-basin water transfer, need and field reality, historical development in India, strategic implementation, and environmental applications and risk. Water management in the future will not depend only on availability but on intelligent sharing and sustainable planning. So this is what I have prepared for today's class. If you guys have any kind of doubt or anything, you guys can ping me anytime. See you at the next class. Thank you.